name's Eddie. I'm co-founder and CEO of the project AEON. The panel we just had, I love it very much because personally I'm a gamer. When I joined crypto industry, I play games. I was watching Crypto Kitties. It was super fun. That's how I got in. And when I get in the industry for a while, I kind of start to realize that there are not a lot of adoption use cases just like gaming, other than gaming itself in the blockchain space. The only other thing I find out that actually being used by people is payment. That's how I decide to contribute most of my blockchain time or crypto time into the sector. I joined crypto around 2017-18ish, and I've been in Binance for 3 years, mainly responsible for all the fiat rampings all over the world. And also I've been Chainlink senior PM as well, doing all the capital market related initiatives. So after that, I created AEON. What is AEON? AEON is a crypto payment settlement layer. What does that mean is that one thing I figured that it's just, there's so many chains. Like the subject of this summit, right, is Unchained summit. I mean, like, there's so many chains these days that your crypto assets is distributed everywhere. How can a merchant receive so many different types of money? I mean, that's a very hard problem to answer, even from top exchanges and wallets and things like that. So I've been thinking, why don't we create a consolidated settlement layer so that any merchant on-chain or off-chain can just integrate it and receive any assets on-chain. That's what we do. So yeah, that's the problem, right? So KPD, we have like right now 200 million users. So lot compared to a few years ago. But if you look at these numbers, less than 2% actually use crypto to pay. What we do, we just hold and, I don't know, farm stake, things like this, but doesn't really, I guess, get into adoption use cases. The reason just being a very fragmented crypto infra, and then there's a lack of usability on chain. So yeah, this is the structure I just mentioned. We allow user to use their exchange account or their wallet on different chains, or just fiat, any source of money to pay off to the merchant. In the middle, we have cross-chain interoperability, liquidity layer to do the cross-chain transactions. And also we have a node network to make sure it's verifiable and secure. This is what it looks like when we integrate with the merchant. This it's just like a Stripe in Web3, right? So I mean, up to this page, I think a lot of you guys think, hey, it's kind of boring. I don't think so as well. Payment itself is very boring, but if you dig up into it, it's essential to a lot of use cases. That's why we enabled scan-to-pay scenario in Thailand, which means if you buy street food in Thailand, you can actually just scan with our app, just scan and then just call out your Binance app or something to pay for it using your crypto. And then the street guy doesn't really know that you're paying with crypto. They just settle in fiat. We do this in Thailand, we do this in Vietnam, we do this in Southeast Asia. I mean, we have over 3 million merchants already adopting our technology, which is really cool. And then there's also real life, like a mobile power bank. They use us to do scan and rent for payment. And some KOLs even use us to receive donations, just different type of, I guess, subscription payments through us to receive payments. But really, what's cool after adopting this I guess technology is we're able to serve AI. AI agent is everyone have been talking about it. What I'm gonna say is that right now I think all of the AI agents, ChatGPT, Grok, all these things, I feel like they're still very how do I say, immature in a way. They haven't really hit the last mile yet, which is actually do things for you. If you think about it, every time you use ChatGPT, it gives you an answer like, hey, I want to travel to, say, Thailand. Recommend me some place to travel to or like food to eat. They give you a list, that's it. But can they actually buy the thing for you? No, you cannot. Because there's one crucial thing for all of the AI agents, is that these AI agents cannot receive fiat, cannot use fiat on your behalf. That's because of compliance, because of the technical infrastructure frictions, for the traditional finance, but either way, you can ask even now. You ask ChatGPT, can I ask you to buy a book on Amazon using my bank account? It will just simply say no, it cannot. And we're here to resolve that. So fiat is not the way for AI agent. And then, so what's next? Crypto. Crypto is inevitable for AI or any AI agent to actually make payments, end-to-end payments. What we do here, we create a wallet for the AI agent so that they have money to spend. That also, this bypass the whole fiat infrastructure so that you don't have the banking settlement period, all these frictions. And then we do KYA to make sure that all these agents are verifiable agents and malicious agents. All the requests, the payment requests, are actually valid. And then also we have LLM, which is a model that verifies your intent. Make sure that, hey, I want to buy a drink. It gives you the soda you want, not some really weird juice from other countries. And then also we have immutable audit trails to make sure that all the payment record you have is there for you. So that if you want for tax reasons, if you want for accounting reasons, there's always things for you to make sure this purchase is valid. This is our infrastructure. I'll be very brief about it. So basically, when user prompt a task, say, hey, I want to travel to a place, I want to buy a car, something like that. A game top-up car, something like that. That request will go through any of the agent, OpenAI, Cloud, anything, and then they will translate it and then be a payment request and then pretty much goes to our node network to verify. Is this request real? Verifiable? Is this true? We verify it, we make sure it's secure, we make sure that the merchant they're trying to purchase is not fake ones, you're not wasting your money, and then we execute the trade request on your behalf with your crypto money. So this is a very basic model of what we do for AI space. And out of the whole world, right now, the only two companies who's able to do this. One is Stripe, the other is us. I'm saying here not just to, I guess, give fluffy talks. Because it's real, it's happening. Here I'm going to present you the demo and actually how it happens. You see, this is an agent. It allows you to connect with the wallet and authorize how much money you want to allow this agent to pay. Remember, in the world, there's nothing like this existing yet. This is the first time. So they will say, I want to buy a $5 Apple Pay card. This is what this AI is progressing. And this is in the back end, what's happening. The AI is trying to find, hey, I want to buy this $5 Apple card. Where can I buy it? So they find a website. It's so progressing. The AI agent is processing your prompt and trying to learn what you want to do. Okay, they find a card. Different vouchers. 5, 10, 20, 50, different cards. And choose the right card to pay. Oh, I want to buy the $5 one. Remember, all of what happens in the screen, nothing manual is involved. No person is behind this. This is just automatic behind, in the back end. See, this is where it gets stuck in a lot of agents because they cannot proceed to the payment. But what we are enabling, because our settlement ability with our infrastructure, we're able to allow users to spend. Top right? You have to authorize the crypto amount from your wallet. We are deducting that balance and to pay off the card. So there's some pre-filled, basically user informations where you want to deposit into the card. Payment is processed. AEON is using your basically authorized balance to convert to the fiat and pay for the merchant. Okay, payment is done. So this is a receipt that you get. Spending crypto dollars using an AI agent by an actual Apple Pay card. This is a receipt sent by the website, not even generated by us. From this, we'll be able to explore to a lot of scenarios. Buying deliveries, Uber, all these e-commerce stuff, or even you can buy IPs. A lot of new type of services can be done with this ability. And we hope to really work with all the agents, including Grok, including ChatGPT, including Malance, all these different consumer agents. We hope to work with them and really to contribute to the whole sector. Thank you very much.